I missed.
See your order.
All right. Let's start from the rib. Well, this is the diaphragm, right?
Okay.
So,
Don't snap us. Only the thing. Why start the
look at it. This is the what?
The heart.
The heart.
Yes, this is the heart, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. Then this is what?
Long.
This is the right lung. And this is, look at it here.
The left.
This is the left lung, isn't it? Good. And
This one is small.
this is the what?
Liver.
This is the liver, right? And this green
Is the gallbladder.
organ is the what?
Gallbladder.
This is a gallbladder. Excellent.
I don't know whether he.
And this is
Stomach.
Stomach.
very
This
good.
one
This is
chop.
the stomach. Excellent. All right.
Then see the kidney.
Then this is the
Left.
this is the what?
Left kidney.
Right kidney.
Left.
Right. Left kidney.
Left. This is the left.
It's supposed to be left. Keita, it's the way you are standing that is making you to look at it as if it's the left.
This is the left kidney.
Then and let's look at the other side. This is the what?
The right kidney.
This is the right kidney, isn't
Those
it?
are the blood vessels.
Good. And
So this are food used to be.
this is what?
The small
But this thing
intestine.
never.
This is the
Small intestine.
small intestine. And this is what?
Wait.
So what do we this?
Large intestine.
This is the large intestine, isn't it? Yes. Good. Right. So
Left.
I think
There's the left.
Then there's the what do you call
liver.
it?
See the liver.
Urinary bladder.
See the liver
Identify
here.
the liver.
Okay,
No, we are-
kidney.
see the
There's
liver
also
here.
kidney.
The urinary bladder.
this is the small intestines. Here is the large
Right
intestine. Then
Where's the urinary
is the
bladder?
urinary-
the urinary bladder.
Look at it.
So I see it. See the urinary bladder.
Don't tear it, pa.
Blood.
No.
See it.
Wait, let me remove.
Yes, we have seen it.
See the urinary bladder.
This is the urinary bladder, isn't it? Very good. So I think these are some of the major organs that we need to identify in this rabbit. So I
This is
think
the anus.
yes, this is the anus.
And that means some kind
This is the anus. So I think that is that.